This eLearning, we're going to explore how to generate a PDF copy of a report presented on the screen viewer in WISE option. I'm going to grab here any report. Let's say go to customer. I'm going to pick any customer account here. Let me pick one like this. I go to the account. I have some transactions in the account, and down here I'm going to click on print, and I'm selecting the preview option so I can see on the preview in WISE option. Here it is, generating the report. Here's my statement, and I have a few more pages. I can page one page at a time here, or just go to the very first. Now, here on top, you have this little icon. Let me try to make it a little bit bigger here. There you go. So this is the icon we can use to save as a PDF file. So when you use that shortcut to the PDF file, it is now generating the PDF document, which you can save in your server to view locally. But what I recommend is for you to try to save in your local computer. Now, to save this document in your local computer, you're going to have to review one of the previous e-learnings where we explain how to have access to your local computer, how to exchange files between the server in the cloud versus the folders in your local computer. So try to reach the lesson for connections under the settings chapter, and you will learn how to make available the folder on your local computer. The point is that from this little disk you can save Acrobat PDF documents, and from there you can email and do copies of the documents from the PDF format. So today you've learned how to generate PDF files from the preview screen in WISE option. Thanks for watching.